The Bowling Green campus is meeting the gap. We're developing students to become physicians who are highly competent because of the rigor of our academics, who have a lens of critical inquiry due to our research opportunities, who are culturally humble, and most importantly, we're developing physicians who are compassionate.
Ever since I was little, I've had a passion for community service and for helping others. Being in a smaller regional campus where everybody is very tight-knit has opened a numerous amount of doors in regards to mentorship opportunities, clinical opportunities, networking, and letters of recommendation as well.
What really defines the culture here is that every student is known. And I think if a student wants that closely connected community, yet wants to be on par in terms of receiving the great rigorous academics of the UK College of Medicine and opportunities of service, that student will get it here.
When they come to our regional campus, they're trained very, very well. Their skill sets when they do leave are highly sought after. We've received very, very good feedback from residency programs about how prepared our students are. And we also will allow them to get into the hospital working with physicians from day one.
You get firsthand in patient care on internal medicine. I've had the opportunity to scrub into surgeries.
These are physicians who bring decades and a wealth of hands-on experiences. And when I see the student, I tell them, you have no idea the wealth of experience that this physician is having and teaching you.
Our students really do have that heart of service for others. They really focus on giving back to the community and serving the community from day one.
Our students come in service-driven and they stay service-driven. They come in compassionate and they stay compassionate. And so those are the physicians and the types of physicians that we're developing.
I feel prepared, especially because of that support system that we have here and that tight-knit community. Bowling Green provides the opportunity for you to learn, grow, and become the best physician that you can be.
Wherever our student that we have developed to be a physician, whether they match outside of Kentucky or they stay here, we have developed a physician who is now deeply tied to Kentucky.
If you're someone looking for the opportunity to learn in a tight-knit community and be very hands-on clinically, this is the place for you.